Welcome to my channel. I'm Kai Marie, and today we are going to be doing a ultimate guide on press-on manicures, and I will show you how to achieve effortless elegance in just a few simple steps.
So I'm speeding, I'm speeding, whoa. Speeding, I'm speeding. No time to be patient, just got the confirmation.
First, gather all the material you need. You need a set of press-on nails, and you need a nail filer. You need a cuticle, a nail filer. You'll need a cuticle pusher. And you will need nail glue. And you will need a top coat. And I'm going to be using this as my top coat, Flash Glossy. And I got this from Target. To start, gently file the edge of the nails to your desired shape, whether you want it square, round, or oval. I'm going for an oval. Now that our natural nail is at its desired shape by filing, next we're going to do a care touch with the alcohol prep pad, and we're just going to remove all the oil, natural oil that are on our cuticle bed or nail bed that is naturally on our nail bed. I'm going to remove all the natural oil. Next, we're going to grab our cuticle pusher to gently push back your cuticles to create a clean canvas for your manicure. We're just pushing back those cuticles. To create that canvas. Here comes the exciting part. We're going to apply our press-on nails. Our cuticles are pushed back. Okay, I pushed it back. I pushed it back. I'm just playing. On this step, this is very critical. Before you start anything, we want to measure. So you want to measure out your nail bed with the press-on nail first. With this press-on nail, it comes with like adhesive sticker, but I'm still going to use glue. I'm still going to use my nail bond glue to press down on the nail bed. But we want to measure before we start getting the glue involved. So I'm going to measure, set all my nails aside, so it'll be an easy, press and go. I have my first row ready, and then I'm gonna do the same thing. Because I have adhesive stickers already prepped on the nails, it came that way. I have it flipped on its back side. So next we're going to apply nail glue onto our natural nails, starting from the cuticles and moving towards the tip. I want to make sure I have enough glue, so I'm just applying a nice layer of glue. Now we're going to carefully align the press-on nails with our natural nails, pressing it down. So we want to make sure it's aligned. And then we're going to press firmly down to ensure it's properly secure by gently holding it for a few seconds. And then we're just going to repeat the process for all of our nails to make sure they're evenly spaced. So we're going to repeat this same process for all of our nails. And I do press back on the cuticles so that it's aligned evenly with my nail bed. I want to make sure it's straight. Press down firm. Hold it for a few seconds. And voila. And we're going to repeat the same steps. Once you apply all the nails, it's time to add a top coat for extra shine and longevity. We're going to apply the coat to each nails, ensuring full coverage. Be sure to seal those edges to prevent any lift. And there you have it. And there you have it, an effortless and elegant press-on manicure. Thank you so much for watching my guide on press-on manicures. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. And happy manicuring. Oh yeah, and wait, there's more. The press-on nails, they also last for up to 2 weeks. That's right. 2 whole weeks of flawless fingertips. When it's time for a new set, you're going to simply soak your nails in warm water for a few minutes. You're going to gently peel off the press-on. No damage to your natural nails and no hassle. Now you too can have a salon quality nails in the comfort of your own home. You can save your time, save money, look absolutely fabulous with the perfect press-on manicure. And thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more beauty tips and tricks and tutorials. Stay fabulous. Stay fabulous. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, as always, love yourself, love others as yourself. Self-love, babies. And I see you guys on another video. Thank you, guys. Stay blessed. Love you. Keep God first.
No, right now, I will find a way to your